Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you're interested in a high-paying online work-from-home job that pays up to $150 more online, well, this video is definitely for you. Now, this is going to be something that you could do online. It's something you could do at home. You could do on a part-time basis. You're going to be trading time for money. If you're interested in getting passive income, $150, $200 on a consistent daily basis, click on the link in the description below. I'm going to give you my #1 recommended opportunity right now online. Now, I like to come out with great videos to you every day, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you. I don't want you to miss any of them. All right, so let's jump right into this. So this is going to be a high-paying work at-home job, pays up to $150 or more online. Now, before I do this, before we get into the website, I just want to talk to you a little bit about, think of the products that you consume on a daily basis, things you drink like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, think of the water that you go and buy. Maybe some of the products that you buy at stores. You go to Walmart or Target or whatever your store is in your area, and you go and you buy, shoes and shirts and food and all that good stuff. Think of all those products that you consume on a daily basis. All of these companies out there, they need people and they need help. Okay, they need help for people to give them feedback on what their products are doing. Right? If you buy a product and you consume it and you like it and you enjoy it, how are these companies going to know that their products are good and why are they good? Why are people buying them? Why aren't people buying them? Why are people using the products? So what happens is companies get together and they want to know that information. So what you do as a consumer, you go to Google and you type in 2020 panel. Okay, 2020 panel, and you'll see 2020panel.com come up right here at the beginning. You click on that, and you're going to go to this website here. Okay, so what this website is they're going to pay you to give your opinions on products and services that you already consume. This is not something you're going to have to go and redo. They're just going to get some information on what it is that you consume right here. So when you come to 2020 panel, okay, so this is it's like a focal group. Okay, now if you're in their particular area in the United States, you can actually go into their offices and they'll pay you to do that, but you can do it totally virtually, virtual online. Okay, you can do it through your computer. You can do it at home, work from home. So the first thing you want to do is click on the Join Our Panel, okay? And then there's going to be 2 links here. It says if you live in Nashville, Charlotte, or Miami, you click on that. That would be going into their offices. But what you want to do is click on this one down here. So it says Nationwide Panelist. Click this link below. So when you come to this website here, they're going to ask you for a few things to sign up. Okay, they're going to explain how it works. So they're going to pay you in gift cards. Now these are going to be Visa gift cards. Okay, these aren't going to be like gift cards to wherever. These are going to be Visa gift cards. You can take that Visa and you can go spend it. Okay, wherever you want to spend it at. And you can see there's testimonials here. But what you want to do is click on Sign Up Today, and then inside of here they're going to talk about anywhere from $50 to $150 just for sharing your opinion. Okay, think about the products that you use on a daily basis, consistent basis. Well, they want to know what it is, why you like those products, why you buy them, why you use them. And when you give that feedback to them, they're going to pay you for that, because now they can take that feedback and that data and they can go and change the product. They can make it, maybe make it better. They can, just get a better product out to the consumers. Okay, so that's why they are going to get your opinion. So all you have to do is just come here and you're going to click on continue, and you're going to sign up through this website here, okay? And you sign up through them, and then you're going to get, you're going to have to go through just a process of filling out some information, and they want to get to know you and what it is that you buy. And then once you do that, they're going to get you into one of their online panelists, and you're going to be able to do this through video. You can do this through your website. You're going to be able to do this through your computer. You just got to have a microphone, and all the microphones. So you can use headset that has a microphone in it, just like this. All of the new smartphones have microphones that come with them, so you can plug that right into your computer, and you can get going with that. Okay, so this company definitely is going to pay you for your opinion on your product or service. Okay, this is not something that you have to have. There's no requirement for this. There's no experience. You just got to say, this is the products that I use, and this is why I like them. This is why I use them, and this is why this is why I buy them. And then when they get that feedback, they can turn around and use it. And these companies will pay you or pay this company 2020 panel for that data. And then they turn around and pay you in the Visa gift card. Okay. So just all you got to do is click on these links at 2020 panel, go in, sign up, and then get started. And then they'll be able to set you up with your online survey. Okay. If you want to get some information on passive income, $200 or $300 per day, click on the link below in the video or in the description below. And I'm going to give you my #1 recommended opportunity right now online. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help you and your business online. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.